Today I'm going to install the catch can on my 2006 Honda Civic Si. Alright, on my previous video I showed how I assembled this. That way it catches all the oil because I just installed my full raised catback exhaust. And the whole reason I'm doing this is because I eliminated the EGR valve. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. It's for the valve covers, and it goes to release the pressure. There's burned fumes, there's oil fumes, there's all kinds of unburned shit that comes through here, and goes into the intake, burns it again. That way it disposes of all those pollutions. But since I got that full catback exhaust, you can hella smell the oil that the engine is burning, because these K20s, they love to burn oil, especially when you're hitting VTEC. So I just put on this one here, and this is actually garbage. The clamp works though. But it doesn't do anything. There's oil all over my car. All over the front window, all over the side windows. It's ridiculous. You see all the oil. And there's a lot of oil in here as well. Grab my light. You can see all the oil. It's ridiculous. It's just making a mess. So anyways, so I assembled that catch can. Came with this clamp. This clamp actually bolted onto where the original intake manifold goes, or the intake air box goes. And now I'm gonna just mount it on there. I cannot see the end. Alright, I finally got that sucker through. There it is. Let's see if here. This is better lighting. Sure does. Okay, so now we're gonna strap this down. I might have to get the heat gun. Alright, so I have my heat gun out. Just so I can heat it up a little bit. Stretch it out. Alright, we need both hands to do this. But essentially, we're going to go ahead and work that in there. You might have to heat it up over and over, depending on how hard it is. I got most of it in. Just need to get the rest of it in there. Alright, well that's as far as I could get it on there. Damn thing is so big that I just put a clamp on it. Should be a nice little straight shot. From there, I'm gonna take off the cap. I put the cap on. If I could remove it. And I'm actually gonna take off my K&N air filter so I can recharge it. Since I'm doing this already. Filter is pretty dirty. Could use some cleaning. That's pretty disgusting. Great. Wow. Alright, so finally here is the cap. Wow, that's not that strong. Wow. Go my cuts in case I need it. There it is. Alright, and this one's gonna go down here. Fitting. Pinches, since you're such a fragile hose. Like so. Boom shaka. Catch you too. Sweet. Now I just gotta work it on there. And my catch cat's complete. Sweet. And that's how you install it on a 2006 Honda Civic Si. Thank you for watching. Get out of the camera view. This is a trick Peter McCann likes to do. He likes to hide flashlights everywhere. Oh, I like it, Mr. McCann. So sweet. There it is. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. After I finished installing everything, I realized the second hose that this one is connected to, and it goes into the canister here. I shouldn't have put it in there. The only one that should have a hose is just the send, not the return. Because now that I'm thinking about it, this has a vacuum because of the intake, so it's gonna suck that oil. So I need to take that little hose off. So let me take it off real quick. All right, there's the hose right there, and there is the connection, and I have it all twisted up. And I haven't let it go, so I'm gonna put it all in so it's all straight. Alright, the hose is off. I think that's probably just an extra one. Sweet, there it is. Sorry about that. That's how it is when you do it yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Here we are the next day, and this is how the finished product looks. Clean air filter, K&N, nice and clean, tucked away, looking beaut. Working good. No spots on my car. Been running it hard this morning. It's all clean. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching my baby. Please like and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit that bell. All right, let's get out of here before we get kicked out.